exposing the secret sauce in skyrocketing your sales. It's called performance marketing, and you're about to find out why you need it. Hey there, marketing mavericks. Are you tired of guessing whether your campaigns are working? With performance marketing, you don't have to. It's all about measurable results and real-time data. Imagine this. Every dollar you spend brings you closer to your goals. You set your targets, you track your progress, and you see exactly what's working and what's not. Sounds like a dream, right? It's not, it's performance marketing. Here's the best part. Performance marketing isn't just for the big players. Whether you're a startup or a seasoned brand, you can leverage its power to maximize ROI. With strategies like pay-per-click, affiliate marketing, and social media ads, you're in control. You pay only for results. Let's talk about benefits. Increased visibility, higher engagement, and yep, more conversions. Plus, the ability to tweak campaigns on the fly means you're always one step ahead. No more set-it-and-forget-it methods. This is active marketing at its finest. And here's a little secret. The data you collect isn't just numbers. It's insight. Insight into your audience's behavior, preferences, and what truly makes them tick. This means smarter decisions, more tailored content, and stronger customer relationships. So, ready to stop flying blind and start making every marketing move count? Dive into performance marketing today and watch your business soar. Remember, it's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter.